We are going to Premier Inn.
We're in the Premier Inn.
We're in the Premier Inn, I mean.
Yep.
And we're going to the Gatwick Airport tomorrow to go on with the airplane.
Where are we going?
Montenegro! On a plane for our first time.
Yeah, Alfie and Evie's first time on an aeroplane. So
Alfie, hello!
they're both really excited. We're going to go to Montenegro for 4 nights. And yeah, we're going to video everything, aren't we, Elves? Yeah.
And I'm going to open Pokemon cards here, and you can watch my videos as I'm making a
channel.
Yeah, we're currently in the Premier Inn waiting for our tea. We're going to have McDonald's delivered, and they've currently got Pokemon cards, so Alfie's excited about that.
What if I get a Charizard? I've never got a Charizard before, it's so rare.
Evie's excited to do the mountain roller coaster.
Annie, I'm gonna get Mummy to come on, and then I'll scare her.
Whatever stuff you looking forward to doing.
I want to do.
Go back then, I can't see.
Oh, what's this?
What are we looking forward to doing? The cable car?
Yes!
Yeah, we're going to have 4 days. Lots of fun.
Hi. We're going to the airport right now. I'm excited. The bus, look. Everywhere. I seen a beluga up there, Dad. Chewy. How many chewies are here? Literally like thousands. We're going!
Now we're up.
Yay! Bye-bye, everyone. These are the snowy mountains. Just joking, it's just clouds. We're on top of the clouds now. Yeah. Is that right?
Okay.
It's closed.
Poor guy.
Dad, he's only got one eye, that cat.
Yeah, he's swimming with us
Well,
today.
another one.
There's another cat.
Hello.
Hello.
He hasn't got one eye.
Yeah, that one.
He hasn't.
Maybe he's blinking.
Look.
He got two.
Yeah, but it says swollen, Dad. It's black.
Oh,
How's it going, guys?
Look.
it's the best ever.
Okay?
Careful.
Yay.
Look at Eve.
No, get up.
You look like a little baby.
She's not. Let me see if I could do this one. Oh, yes. That's a really good one. And boom. Extra stuff on there. Hello.
We've just arrived at our
Evie, don't do anything
apartment.
yourself.
apartment.
Don't go
And
crazy.
we're all checked in.
Look at our view.
This is our view. We've also just been to the shop and got a few bits for the apartment.
We've got a little cat over there.
Yeah, there's loads of cat shows, so kids are loving that.
Super Mario's experience, isn't it?
Yeah, it's hard to find anything in there. Didn't really have any of the foods that we recognised, and
Giant cakes and meat, that's all we found.
yeah, I think we're gonna have a children tonight because we're gonna early and head to Qatar tomorrow. It's absolutely boiling now.
To do.
Also, when we arrived, there was a lady who'd made us little like meat and cheese and
Massive
platter
chocolate,
and
chocolate cake was amazing, probably the best I've ever had.
and she left us some wine as well, so we're gonna enjoy some of that probably in a minute or when the kids go to bed. But yeah, that was really nice of her. And Evie was absolutely starving, so you were grateful for that, weren't you, Eve?
What?
All the food.
Okay.
Cats are back.
Well,
But we're gonna sit on the balcony and enjoy the view, I think.
I got more berries. Hi.
We've just come for a little walk at this castle. I'll put on the screen what it's called, I can't remember. Yeah, it's pretty cool, yeah.
actually fun though.
Yeah, it looks good. It actually looks heavier than you.
Cheers.
I'll hold on to you, yeah?
What's your legs then? Put your legs straight. You'll be okay. Oh my god, that was crazy. We're back from our little adventure. We're enjoying some pizza outside. With a view.
Pizza with a view.
Pizza with a view. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What are you doing, Mrs. Evie?
And I need ketchup.
Oh, she's having some ketchup. You're amazing.
Can you open it, please?
You're amazing living you with this view and Eves. You
Yeah.
enjoying it?
Yeah.
What do you think of those cave things we went down?
Really good.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Not scary?
A little bit.
Yeah, I was scared. What did you think, Eves?
Good.
Yeah.
It's cakes.
Look at her face. Look how happy she is. Any good, Eve?
Good. So
see?
good. Look inside. It's literally so good.
Shall I get off?
Yeah, it's the best cake ever. I like to touch each other. I touched Daddy though. Yeah, we could touch everyone else. Yeah, but not each other. Or anything.